Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a brand new D-Link full HD pan and tilt smart Wi-Fi indoor security camera. So I got like Best Buy sent me like an email. They have like a promotional price. So when I check on their website, it was like a $59.99, but anyway, they were all out of stock. So I figured I'd go to eBay and check it out. So on eBay, I found this one for $53.99 and then free shipping. With tax and everything, it's $58.71. So that's even cheaper than going to Best Buy. Because Best Buy is $59.99 plus tax. So probably looking about $64. So anyway, I have this camera previously, and then it was working pretty well. You can zoom in, tell your camera any angles that you like. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. Got this bubble wrap. So it is a factory seal. Full HD 1080p, Full HD clarity, and it offers two-way audio, pan and tilt, sound and motion detection. So yeah, this one is pretty good. Compared to other camera, it only has motion. So this one, you could change the decibel and how loud it gets. You could automatically start recording. And also you have a cloud or local recording. So this one has a micro SD trans flash memory card that you could insert. So you don't need to depend on the cloud service, which is require a pay service subscription, okay? And it says work with the Google Assistant and Alexa, work with the IFTTT. But anyway, I haven't used with those Alexa or Google Assistant. Got the light sensor, Full HD 1080p resolution, then IR LED. You got the 340 degree pan and 110 degree tilt. It's a built-in microphone and then a speaker base mounted. So there's your micro SD slot and a micro USB adapter and Ethernet port. So yeah, in case you have a bad Wi-Fi connection, it is better to connect to the Ethernet port. I have to use AirTie's AT&T Wi-Fi extender, and then I use that RJ45 cable to connect to here for more stabilization. It also comes with the mounting kit, Ethernet cable, your power cord, and this is the model number right here. Be sure to get this model because some of the older model is only 720p. So yeah, it can work with your smartphone, which is your You can download the app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. So day and night mode, you could pinch to zoom without any subscription. Simple setup, remote access, video recording, motion, sound, and detection, two-way audio, Full HD. And here's your spec right here. It is a 2 megapixel CMOS sensor, 114 angle lens, 16 feet night vision, motion detection. And it is a 5 volt DC 2 amp for the power. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, once you get this, you will love it. And I have a full tutorial on how to troubleshoot and then fix the connection issue, because at the beginning when I got this, it was giving me a problem to connect to my Wi-Fi. So original price on this is $99.99. So there's a template right here. If you need to drill the holes for your mounting plate right here, or the bracket. Tips for getting best performance from your Wi-Fi camera. So here's your J45 cable. You need that for initial setup. Your mounting screws. Your mounting bracket. So there's like a teeth over there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So it will be fixed. See? It doesn't move once you lock it. Here's your power cord, and it is USB, micro USB. So there's your manual ring that you could focus it. Do the adjustment manually. So I'll be right here. And those are your night vision LEDs. Here's your status light, power, and then a link. It's your antenna. So it doesn't allow you to rotate 360, only 180. And this is only 90 degree. Got the RJ45 plug right there. Your micro SD or trans flash memory card. Your USB, your micro USB charging adapter right there. So there's your microphone right there, and then speakers right there. And this is where you mount your mounting bracket. So in case you need to mount this on the wall, like that. Or you can mount it upside down and stuff like that too. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.